Hey, Cousin Jack here with another episode of Woodcarving Weekly, and this week Jason works with inlays. Jordy has a new challenge. Dane carves a Spurtle, and we'll dig into the video vault. Thanks for being here today, folks. I want to remind you that all of the resources that I mentioned are going to be linked in the description right below the video, and then a little further down the page in the comments section right below this video. Let's get started. Well, up first today, we have a story that came to me by way of one of our carving cousins by the name of Leo. Last week, Leo posted this message in the comment section below the video that we published. He's saying that Deep Holler Knives has been sold, that the company is no longer owned by Matthew Atlant. Well, I told Leo that I would look into it and see where that leads me. So I checked out the Deep Holler Knives website to see what I could find there. And there wasn't much. Right now it looks like all of the knives are sold out according to what's in stock and what's not. But there was a message posted there, and this confirms that yes, Deep Holler Knives has a new owner. Here's what it says. So right now on the message you can see that Neil and Angela Schmidt are the new owners of the company, and they're saying that there are no knives in stock right now, but it also says if you have an interest in buying a knife that you can email them and they can tell you what they do have on hand. So it sounds like there may be a few knives anyway that could be available. So the email address and the phone number are listed right there at the bottom of their message. That's what we know so far. Now what's going to happen with the Deep Holler knife brand? Will the quality be the same? Will there be new types of handles, models, new blades? We don't know yet. A lot remains to be seen. I do want to say thank you to Leo for bringing this story to my attention. Well, over at Carving Fusion, Jordy Johnson is getting ready for the 7 Days of Wood Spirits Challenge. Yeah, so Jordy's friend, Just Carve Rob, came up with the idea to carve 7 different wood spirits for 7 days in a row. And Jordy thought, well, yeah, and this should be a challenge as well. And to get ready, Jordy has put up a brand new video. It's a product review on the Rotary tool carving kit. And in this video, he tells you everything you'll need if you want to get started with power carving, including this Rotary tool kit. So he tells us that it sells for about $35. Well, right now, I've seen it listed on Amazon around $25. Not sure how long that price will last. Jordy says that this is a good budget Rotary tool kit, similar to the Dremel, but a lot less cost. So Jordy opens up the box. He shows you all of the attachments, all of the burrs that come with this kit, and in the video you'll learn how you can optimize the flex shaft that comes with the Rotary tool. Jordy tells you all the details. Now, make sure you go over to Jordy's website, check out this product review. I've already ordered one. And while you're there, look for the 7 Days of Wood Spirits videos that have already started. Have you seen Kevin? I've been looking for Kevin and I really miss him. Yeah, Kevin Coates. Well, today we're going to be opening up the video vault, and that's mostly because I really miss seeing carving videos from Kevin. And today's video is one that's one of my favorites that Kevin ever did. So it's been more than a year since we last saw a new video from Kevin, and on his Instagram account, his last posting there was 8 months ago. But in this video that I'm sharing today, you'll see Kevin carving a face with nothing but a fishtail gouge. That's right. This is a time-lapse video. It goes by in about 6 minutes. And what you'll see is Kevin working with this block of wood and a fishtail gouge, making a really good-looking face. I like this video because it really shows off Kevin's creativity, his wood carving skills, and his amazing talent. I hope you enjoy it. Take a look. Tell me in the comments section, what do you think? And if you know where Kevin is, let me know. Well, up next, we'll go to Montreal, where Jason Hedrich has a brand new tutorial video that he's sharing. He says this is a good project for anyone, no matter whether you're a beginner or maybe an experienced woodcarver. This time around, he's making a walking stick from a branch of cherry wood. And this one's a little different because he's doing some inlay work. You know, inlay is a great opportunity for you to decorate a tool handle or maybe a guitar or just about any wooden surface, like a walking stick. In this video, keep your eyes out for a new tool alert. That's right, Jason has a brand new tool. He may have tool acquisition syndrome, folks. You'll also see how to do some inlay work using various colors and species of woods to get a nice contrast. And you'll see him doing some finishing. He uses teak oil and some polyurethane to get a really high gloss look that brings out the grain on that cherry wood stick. Check out the video and all the other videos on Jason's channel. Well, have you ever carved a spurtle? I didn't know what a spurtle was, so I had to research that. And what I learned is that it's a traditional Scottish cooking utensil. It dates back to the 15th century. The spurtle is used for stirring porridge, and some of them look similar to a spatula. By design, the spurtle prevents lumps from forming in your porridge, unlike a regular wooden cooking spoon. So in this video, you'll see Dane Lucina up in the mountains in Croatia, axing out a spurtle from a piece of wood. I think it's cherry wood, by the way. Now, there's no talking in this video. There's no music either. Just a man working in the forest, and you'll hear the axe chopping through the wood. It's a relaxing video, and you'll see some nice carving skills with an axe or hatchet. Take a look at the video and see what you think. Over at the DY Woodcarving channel, David Young has a new video that's kind of a do-over. About 4 years ago, he posted a video about carving the traveling gnome, and it was a very popular video. And so he's decided to do it again. Now you may be asking yourself, why would you want to have another traveling gnome video when there's already one there? Well, David explains that he's gotten better at making videos. In the original video, he says he drifted out of the frame, and he's much better at staying in the frame and bringing you a better quality of video. He also says that he has changed his design and his approach on how he carves these gnomes. And if you're a content creator and you've had success with a video, well, you want to double down on that success. In the video, it's a step-by-step tutorial. It's about an hour and a half long altogether, and he takes you through the entire carving process. And in addition to learning how to carve the traveling gnome, he gives you some tips on how you can improve your carving skills altogether. So take a look at his channel and look at the Traveling Gnome 2.0. Well, up next, we'll introduce you to the Woodpecker Woodcarvings channel. It's on YouTube, and this is a Canadian carver by the name of Frankie Ores. Frankie has a new video where he's carving a small snake figure. It's kind of a coiled up snake. And he drew his inspiration from 2025 being the year of the snake in the Chinese zodiac. So in this carving, you'll see Frankie go through the entire process. This is a knife only, but I won't say beginner friendly video. And the reason for that, well, I guess it could be. Here's my issue. In the video, you'll see that Frankie has drawn the top-down view of the coiled-up snake onto the end grain of the block of wood. Now, I think you'll have an easier time if you reorient that. So go onto the side of your block and draw the top-down view on the side, and that way you have a lot less end grain to carve through. It should be easier. At any rate, check out the Woodpecker Woodcarvings YouTube channel. You'll find that Frankie has more than 100 videos there. Well, folks, I want to thank you for being here today. I really appreciate all your support, all the likes, and the comments. You're helping me out, and I really appreciate that. If you missed any of our episodes, they're right here. See you next week.